Hey, it's Wendi again. I'm just with my little friend Fern over here. Actually, I think they're palm trees. I'm in Hawaii because I've been here for a couple years now. And I just love bringing you here to enjoy all this beauty all over the place. But I told you yesterday that I had something really cool I wanted to share with you today. And this does have to do with the Timeline Journey program. So there's 3 categories in the program, and it's a separate session for each category in the past timeline and the future timeline. There's future timeline for health. And that one is for any health problems, issues, and it leads you through it, and you're going to be going into the past to resolve anything that might be an underlying issue that's causing the health problem, and you're going to go into the future in several different spots in the future to where you are healthy, you've overcome the problem, the whatever, you don't have migraines anymore, or whatever it is. And then the next one is power and confidence, and I spoke to you about confidence yesterday. But the power and confidence session is going to make you really unstoppable. So anything that's been holding you back, even if you don't know what it is that's holding you back, this is going to change that. There's one more. This is the one. See, right there, love and sex. So now we're going to talk about love and sex and how that affects you in a timeline journey. You might have fears of your past that are from things that happened that weren't comfortable, or that were abusive, or that were mistakes you made, things you were embarrassed about, and whatever it is that's holding you back from really having a great relationship and being in love and having really satisfying and adventurous sex. So when you release some of those things of the past that happened, you're going to relieve yourself in such a big way to be able to be the person, male or female, be the person you want to be. It's a touchy subject because we all have a lot of really mixed emotions about things we learned about sex when we were young, especially if you're in my generation. No one talked about it. Now the young kids, it's all they seem to talk about. When you go into the future, you're going to go into the future with me describing you being loved, giving love, receiving love, and also being really sensual and beautiful and giving and receiving, and talking about the things that are I said it's love and sex, so the things that are about your sexual experience and how you're going to experience it differently. So, okay, there's people around, so I can't say it too loud, but if you want to have that sexual satisfaction more easily, especially for women, a lot of women that come to me want help with the receiving that pleasure. Coast is kind of clear. Your body will be more responsive. You won't be holding back because you're not accessing beliefs and memories and conflicts that had to do with you being afraid or having made mistakes in your past or whatever you're hanging on to. So when you go into that future, you're going to teach your body how to be really responsive and experience pleasure, having just a better spirit and a better outlook about your love and sex life. So what if you're single? You can then use this to help you be worthy of love and to find a soulmate or a partner or whatever it is you're looking for. You can use that to envision yourself finding that person and being so clear and so close and so loving with that partner, and being really, something just jumped over here. I don't know what it is, but we don't have snakes in Hawaii, right? Yeah, there's no snakes. Okay, so anyway, sorry about that. But you will find that you'll have a totally different attitude towards intimacy and being responsive, being playful and flirting and all the good things that go with it. Gratitude for the relationship you've created in that future moment. And now your subconscious has these memories that are about you being worthy, about you giving love, about you being a really great partner, and all the things you need. So that's the belief that you will be drawing from when you're going out into the world to improve your love and sex life, or even find a love and sex life. Make sense? Okay, feel free to email me and ask me questions, tell me whatever you want, and I will answer you. Now, remember that Timeline Journey program. It's 30% off for you. That's right there. And the code is It's Time. Okay, ITSTIME. And that is going to get you 30% off. It's only like $59 anyway, but it brings the price down quite a bit. So share these videos or the links to them so other people can learn about this as well, because it is a life changer, I guarantee it. And that's about all I got to say. If you don't do it, can't help you, but get started on it. Keep in touch with me and I'll help you out. All right, bye-bye. You have a fantastic day.